You've seen the hotel. You think you understand it. You don't. You think the man with the gun is the dangerous one. He's not. There are 9 levels to this world. You're not on any of them. Not yet. By the time you reach the last one, you won't recognize yourself. That's not a warning. That's just how it works. Level 1. The Civilian. You walk past the Continental Hotel every day. You see marble floors, suited staff, quiet guests. You see a hotel. You are wrong about everything else. The gold coins changing hands at the bar, not tips. The man at the corner table not speaking, not shy. You exist in this world without knowing it. That is the only protection you have. The moment you know, that protection ends. For now, you're a civilian. For now, you're safe. Level 2. The Street Operator. Someone gives you a coin, not as payment, as an introduction. You don't know what it buys yet, but you learn quickly. A clean car, a quiet doctor, a room with no questions asked. You learn the first rule: every service has a price. You learn the second rule: you never ask what the price will be until after. You are useful now, barely, but useful. You exist on the edges of something ancient. You don't have a name in this world yet. You're just someone who knows what a coin is for. Level 3. The Continental Member. You are registered now. That word means more than you think. It means you have a name in a ledger that never burns. It means the armorer will see you, the tailor will fit you, the doctor will treat you. No police, no questions, no record. The Continental is neutral ground. You understand that now. No business conducted on hotel grounds. It sounds like a rule. It is a law. The distinction matters more than you know. You are inside the world now, fully. There is no outside anymore.
Level 4. The Marker. You make a promise, not with words, not with a handshake, with blood. Your blood on a coin given freely. This is called a marker. It means one day someone will ask you for something impossible, and you will do it. Not because you want to, because you swore. John Wick swore one once. He was asked to kill 12 men in one night to earn his way out. He did it. That is what a marker costs. You are holding one now. Think carefully about what you owe and to whom.
Level 5. The excommunicado.
Your name is removed from the ledger, not crossed out, removed, like you were never there. Every resource you had, gone. Every contact, closed. Every door, locked. And then the phones ring, across the city, across the world. Your name, your face, a price. You are not hunted by one person. You are hunted by everyone. This is excommunicado. It is not punishment. It is erasure. The world continues without you. It always did.
Level 6. The Continental Manager.
You run a Continental now. That sounds like power. It is, and it isn't. You set the rules within your walls. You can shelter who you choose. You can expel who you must. Winston gave John Wick 1 hour. He wasn't supposed to. He did it anyway. That is the weight of this position. The high table watches every decision you make, every mercy, every exception. You answer to something above you. You always have. But now, they're watching.
Level 7. The Adjudicator.
You carry a coin now that opens every door. Not as a guest, as a sentence. You were sent when the rules had been broken. You don't negotiate. You don't forgive. You assess. You decide. You enforce. Winston lost his hotel because of you. The Bowery King lost his throne because of you. You don't enjoy it. You don't have to. Enjoyment is not the point. The point is that the rules hold, even for the people who made them. Level 8, the High Table. 12 seats, 12 families, 12 empires that have existed longer than most nations. You sit at one of them now. You did not inherit it, you took it. The seat does not belong to a person, it belongs to the organization. You are temporary, the table is not. There is no retirement from this position, there is no stepping down. There is only the table. And there is only what the table decides. Level 9, the Elder. You walk through the desert until you cannot walk anymore. Then you keep walking. You find him, or he finds you, the Elder. No last name, no title, no history that anyone can confirm. He was here before the High Table. He will be here after. He tells you, to live in this world, you must give something to it, something that cannot be returned. John Wick gave his ring finger, he gave his wife's name, he gave the last version of himself that still believed he could leave. You understand now. You have always understood. There is no leaving this world. There is only deciding how deep you go. 9 levels, 1 world. You're already in it.
You didn't choose this. Nobody does. You stumbled into it. A coin, a name, a favor, and now the door behind you is gone. That's the thing about this world. It doesn't recruit, it absorbs. You think about the civilian you used to be, walking past the Continental, seeing a hotel. That person is gone now. Not dead, just gone. Replaced by someone who reads a room differently, who notices the exits before the entrances, who understands that silence is a language, and that the loudest people in any room are the least dangerous ones. The rules kept you alive, not your skill, not your reputation. The rules. Respect them, and this world has a kind of order to it. A cold order, a brutal one, but order nonetheless. Break them, and you already know what happens. You've seen what happens. So you carry on, because that's all anyone in this world ever does. You carry on, you honor your debts, you watch your back, and you never, ever mistake kindness for weakness. Not here, not in this world. 9 levels, 1 truth. You don't leave. You just decide how much of yourself you're willing to give to stay.